Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, we're going to have a look at a brand new feature within LeadsLeap, and this is their YouTube to list feature. So we're going to have a look at that inside the LeadsLeap platform. I'm a member there myself, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how simple and how easy this is to use. LeadsLeap has been online since 2008. It's totally free to join. It can be forever free if you want it to be, and it's been online since 2008. So it's a very solid online platform with all the free tools and traffic you need to build any online business. This new feature, it automates and it leverages your content. So this is your published content. So anytime you can use a feature to automate and leverage your content, that's what you want to be looking to do. Gives you more free time to enjoy the money and enjoy your life. Free to use, going to help you build your YouTube channel faster because you're going to get more views, you're going to get more subscribers, and then that's what builds a YouTube channel. And it's also a great strategy for getting more leads and sales because you're going to put your links in your description under your YouTube videos, and that will generate you more leads and sales as well. So please click subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications if you like make money online videos. I've now got over 200 videos on my channel, lots of videos on website traffic, how to generate leads, marketing systems, a couple of my business opportunities, done for you funnel, so that's really key, and some social media stuff. So lots of information on there, over 200 videos. And I've also done a playlist. If you go into my playlist section, I've done this one here. I've done 10 LeadsLeap review videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin that playlist to the top comment under this video. So let's go into LeadsLeap now. Let's have a look at this great new feature, and it's called YouTube to broadcast, and it says find out more in our blog. You will find it within the LeadsLeap platform. If you do click the link in the description and set up your free account, don't get overwhelmed by all this information. There's a lot of information when you first join, but everything's done step by step. You get all free training on how to use it, and you'll see the free autoresponder, Send Steed, List Manager, the new features here under YouTube to broadcast. So how does it work? How exactly is this new feature going to work? So I love the wording here because what they've put in their blog post, they put this function allows you to automatically send out a broadcast to your list whenever you publish a YouTube a new YouTube video on your channel. So the key words there, the key word is automatically, and that's really how we start to automate the excuse me, the process. So first of all, what it does, it gives you a little snippet of what it will look at from your side of the platform. And it says here that they will see a snippet of the video description. They'll see a hyperlink to the video that's going to be automatically inserted, and also the thumbnail image is going to be inserted there again. So this is why when we look back at my channel here, this is why thumbnails are really important. You put some great thumbnails on there that attracts people to actually click on your video and for you to get more views. So that's what it looks like from your side, and this is what the prospect sees, which I really like. I think this is great. I think the subject title of your video is there within the body. You can put whatever wordage you want to in here, but the thumbnail is just really attractive. It's bright, it really stands out, and you can put the text in there, and then click the link below and watch the full video, and that will take them through to your video and your affiliate links. So we've also got in LeadsLeap, we've also got a step-by-step guide here. Very, very user friendly. If you're brand new, everything is really newbie friendly. It's step by step. It just gives you some graphics here. All you're going to do is put your channel ID into the RSS feed. Step 2 will be to customize a template. Step 3 will be to select the list you want to send it to, and then number 4, you can. This is a great option. I really like this. This is whether you want to send it automatically or just create it and send it later on. And that's it. It's really, really simple. Um, Now, this is also another great feature when it says, how soon will my new video be broadcasted? So what the system does, it checks for a new video um, for every half hour on the 30th minute of every hour. So if a new video is available, a broadcast will be created and sent automatically in the next hour. So you can automate that, and the system is going to do it all for you. And if you don't want to wait for the system to detect your video, you can also do a manual detection. But the automation process of this is absolutely superb. So you're going to just do your video, and then the software will just send it out to your list, and then you're going to get that's going to generate you more views, more leads, and more sales. So such a great feature. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please click subscribe. If you've got any questions on LeadsLeap, because there's some great information in here. um, it's free to use, free to join. I've been a member here now for quite a while. I use this platform every single day for building my online business. So if you've got any questions, put those in the comments below. Just click the link in the description. You can sign up for a free account, and please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and that will support my YouTube journey. I'd appreciate that, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.